The letter starts with A. A is for alligator. Alligator. The letter starts with B. B is for bee. Bee. The letter starts with C. C is for crab. Crab. The letter starts with D. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. The letter starts with E. E is for eagle. Eagle. The letter starts with F. F is for frog. Frog. The letter starts with G. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. The letter starts with H. H is for hydrant. Hydrant. The letter starts with I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. The letter starts with J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. The letter starts with K. K is for kick. Kick. The letter starts with L. L is for llama. Llama. The letter starts with M. M is for money. Money. The letter starts with N. N is for 9. 9. The letter starts with O. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. The letter starts with P. P is for pig. Pig. The letter starts with Q. Q is for quiver. Quiver. The letters start with R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. The letters start with S. S is for snake. Snake. The letters start with T. T is for turtle. Turtle. The letters start with U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. The letters start with V. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. The letters start with W. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. The letters start with X. X is for extra fish. Extra fish. The letters start with Y. Y is for yarn. Yarn. The letters start with Z. Z is for zigzag. Zigzag.